going through the apprenticeship program, learning how to do this job while being in the field in the truck is a daunting task. It's not an easy thing to do. It takes a lot of guts, in my opinion, to go out and start knocking down strangers' doors, telling them you're going to fix their plumbing problem, right? One thing that Caleb has always done that has always made me happy, made me proud, is his attitude has always been top tier. There's never been a situation where you were in a bad mood. And if you were in a bad mood, there's never been a situation where you brought it here or you brought it to me. That's something that I can say for sure, is a huge burst of energy and a huge morale boost to the team. You are never afraid to help anybody. If somebody calls you at 4 o'clock and they say, Caleb, I can't get this water heater out, or I need help digging this hole, you are there in a second. So all that stuff, Caleb, does not go unnoticed, right? I know it looks like, it's a job, you're clocking in, you're doing your job, you're helping people, you're making money and everything like that. At the same point in time, this job, this career, this trade translates so well into life, translates into how you handle your life and how you go about your business on a personal level, right? Doing everything with integrity, holding yourself accountable, and holding yourself to be the best person you could possibly be. That's something that I've admired from you, something that I appreciate. I love that you share that with the team on a regular basis. I thank you for your hard work. I thank you for coming in consistently. As you know, there's nothing that I won't ask of you that I haven't done myself. There's some things that I might do that I won't ask you to do. But at some point in time, you're going to reach out and you're going to need either someone to talk to you or you need an extra hand. You always know that I'm going to be there and I'm always going to answer that phone for you, brother. So we got Caleb's certificate of achievement here. Caleb has officially completed training and successfully graduated our 3-phase plumbing apprenticeship program for Logan Services. His dedication and hard work throughout his apprenticeship has significantly contributed to the success of our organization. Thank you for setting a standard of excellence in your work and commitment to customer care that inspires others around you to reach new heights. Congratulations on your new position as a lead plumber, Caleb. Get up here.